Okay, this video is going to be for pages 193 and 194. So it says, what type of quadrilaterals are figures A and B in the example problem? So looking at these two, they have two parallel sides each. So what would you call these shapes? They are called rectangles. I know this because they have two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, now it says to use these two for the next question. It says in angle ABC, the measure of angle A is 30 degrees. In DEF, the angle F is 60 degrees. Okay, find the rest of the measures and compare them. Well, I know that these two are going to be 90 degrees, which helps me out immensely because they're right triangles. And so if 30 and 90, I know that triangles must be 180 degrees. So angle C is, this is 120, so 180 minus 120 equals 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Angle B is 90, we already knew that. Angle E is 90. And then we're trying to find angle D. So angle D, it says this is 90 and this is 60, which is 150. So 180 minus 150 equals 30 degrees. So now we have angle C is 60, angle B is 90, angle E is 90, and angle D is 30. What types of triangles are these? I actually spoiled that for you earlier. I figured out that these were 90 degrees, so they are right triangles. You can check and tell that these are 90 degrees, so you know that that's a right triangle. Okay. 194, consider these quadrilaterals. Find the lengths of each quadrilateral. Explain how you got your answer. So I'm just going to count the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this side would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 and 5, so that's a square. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's a square. All right. So when I'm explaining it, I would say the length of, and then let's talk about this one first. RSTV is 5 units. The length of WXYZ is 3 units. I counted the boxes. Okay, so I'm explaining how I found it and explaining what I got. All right, compare the properties of the figures. What type of quadrilateral is each? I spoiled that a little bit because if it's even on both sides, that's always a square. Each figure has 4 equal sides with 4 equal angles. So both figures are squares. Okay, how are the triangles at the right alike and different? So we can say that they look the same. They have the same, so they look the same, they have the same lengths, but they are positioned differently. Okay, we're going to draw 2 different quadrilaterals with the following properties. 1 pair of parallel sides, 2 perpendicular, 2 right, obtuse, and acute. This right here tells me I'm going to have basically a triangle on top of a rectangle. So I can draw it like, I guess I would draw it like this. Okay, that's 3. I'd make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, that this goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. But then it says it wants like right angles, obtuse angles, and acute angles. This will be my obtuse, and this will be my acute. Acute, obtuse. And then right, right. 2 pairs of perpendicular. There's perpendicular, and 1 pair parallel. All right, perfect. So we have to draw 2 of them. So I guess we could draw one upside down. There we go. Obtuse, acute, right angle, right angle. Okay, so that's 193 and 194.